Can I tell you a secret?
Sure, I love secrets.
I have no idea what I'm doing. I want something different, Lori. I want something that will really grab the people's attention instead of the same boring snooze fest they hear every single year.
We're looking for, Pastor Greg?
I'm Greg.
Congratulations, you have won the free Vittler shopping spree.
Something that will help people get past being meaners to each other.
Meaners. I don't think that's a word, Greg.
This Christmas, it's a Pastor Greg reboot.
Amen!
With a brand new cast.
Ask the board what?
Greg and Lori want to go on a date.
It's not a date.
Absolutely not.
I can't. Watch me, I'm a full-grown man.
No, you're not.
Same silly stuff.
Oh, it's okay. I'm a good 3 weeks away. Oh!
With a little love along the way.
This baby is coming and you need to focus.
Okay, we got this.
This holiday season, hope for Christmas. A bit of love with lots of laughter along the way.
This is the best Christmas service ever.
So cool. But I really thought he was gonna blow it.